When I get a telephone call or an email from a potential client, one of the first questions I'm asked is, do I have a case? Sometimes the answer is pretty clear that you do, such as when a client is rear-ended by a drunk driver, or maybe hit while crossing the street in a crosswalk. Other times the answer is not as clear. So to answer the question, do I have a case? It's important to understand what makes up a personal injury claim. A personal injury claim can be looked at like a three-legged stool. All three legs of the stool must be present or the stool will fall over. Just like a stool, all three legs of a claim must be present for the claim to stand up in court. The first leg of the stool is liability or fault. Did somebody do something wrong? The second leg of the stool is causation. Did the wrongful act that somebody did cause any harm? The third leg of the stool is damages. What are the harms and losses that were caused by the wrongful act? If all three legs of the stool are present in your case, then you may have a claim and you should talk to an attorney. Now, to give you some examples, in a car wreck situation, if the other driver breaks a rule and causes harm, then all three legs of the stool are present: fault, causation, and damages. In a medical negligence case, a doctor has a duty to exercise the standard of care when treating his patients. If a doctor breaks that rule, that safety rule, and causes harm to a patient, then there may be a claim that's worth exploring. So to answer the question, do I have a case? Ask yourself or your attorney, do all three legs of the stool, are they all present in my case? Liability or fault, causation, and damages. And if all three legs of the stool are present, then you may have a case, and you should talk to an attorney to learn your rights.